Hi, everyone. If you want to lose weight fast, boost your energy, and stay full for hours, you need to start your day with the right keto breakfast. Many people make the mistake of skipping breakfast or eating the wrong foods that spike their blood sugar and slow down fat burning. But today, I'm going to show you how to make quick, delicious, and filling keto breakfasts that will keep you in fat burning mode all day long. A proper keto breakfast is more than just food, it's fuel for your brain and body. The goal is to eat meals that are low in carbs, high in healthy fats, and packed with protein. This keeps you in ketosis, where your body burns fat for energy instead of relying on carbs. If you've ever felt sluggish, hungry an hour after eating, or struggled with cravings, it's because your breakfast wasn't balanced. But once you get this right, you'll feel full, energized, and ready to take on the day. Why breakfast matters for ketosis and weight loss. When you wake up in the morning, your body has been fasting for several hours. This is a great opportunity to keep burning fat instead of spiking your insulin with high-carb foods. A proper keto breakfast stabilizes your blood sugar, keeps you satisfied, and prevents energy crashes. It also stops you from overeating later in the day. The worst mistake people make is starting their day with things like cereal, toast, bagels, or sugary yogurt. These foods might taste good, but they flood your body with sugar, causing an insulin spike that stops fat burning and makes you crave more carbs. Instead, you want to eat something that keeps your blood sugar stable and fuels your metabolism. Best keto breakfasts that burn fat. Now, let's get into the best keto breakfasts that will help you burn fat and stay full for hours. These are quick, easy, and delicious. 1. Eggs and avocado. The perfect keto breakfast. Eggs are one of the best keto-friendly foods because they're packed with protein and healthy fats. They keep you full, boost your metabolism, and provide essential nutrients like choline, which supports brain function. Pairing eggs with avocado gives you fiber, potassium, and extra healthy fats that stabilize your blood sugar and keep your body in ketosis. How to make it: scramble, fry, or boil your eggs. Add half an avocado on the side, seasoned with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Drizzle with olive oil or sprinkle some cheese on top for extra flavor. 2. Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt is a great option if you're in a hurry and need something quick. It's high in protein and probiotics, which support gut health. But be careful, many yogurts have hidden sugars. Always go for full-fat, plain Greek yogurt with no added sugars. How to make it: take 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt. Add a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pecans for crunch and healthy fats. Sprinkle chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Add a few raspberries or blueberries for natural sweetness without spiking your blood sugar. 3. Keto pancakes. Low carb and delicious. Who says you can't have pancakes on keto? With the right ingredients, you can make fluffy, delicious pancakes that won't kick you out of ketosis. How to make it: mix 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and teaspoon of baking powder. Cook in butter or coconut oil over medium heat. Top with sugar-free syrup, almond butter, or whipped cream. 4. Keto breakfast bowl. High protein and satisfying. A breakfast bowl is a great way to pack in all the nutrients you need for the morning. How to make it: start with the base of scrambled eggs or crumbled sausage. Add avocado, cheese, and spinach for fiber and healthy fats. Drizzle with olive oil or a dollop of sour cream. 5. Bulletproof coffee. The fat-burning keto drink. If you don't have time for a full meal, Bulletproof coffee is a great way to get healthy fats and energy in the morning. It helps curb hunger and keeps you focused for hours. How to make it: brew a cup of black coffee. Blend it with 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or coconut oil. Mix until it's frothy and enjoy. How to make your keto breakfast work for you. To make sure your breakfast keeps you in ketosis and helps you burn fat, follow these tips. Always include healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, eggs, cheese, and coconut oil are your best friends. Add protein for muscle support. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and meats keep you full and prevent muscle loss. Avoid hidden carbs, read labels carefully, and avoid foods with added sugars or high-carb ingredients. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and consider adding electrolytes to support ketosis. Final thoughts: a good keto breakfast sets the tone for your entire day. When you start with the right foods, you'll burn more fat, have more energy, and avoid cravings. Whether you prefer eggs, yogurt, pancakes, or a quick, bulletproof coffee, there are plenty of delicious and easy options to keep you on track. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite keto breakfast? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more keto tips and recipes.